Hello friends, welcome to another video on Excel shortcut keys. Today we shall see the split this date. Okay, we have this date 9/12/2023, 4/6/2012, 23/7/1995. Okay, we have to split this date into day, month and year. So let's start the video how to do this. First of all, select these cells, go to data, click on text to columns. Here like this dialog box appear. Click on next. Here whatever mark is there, dash mark or slash mark, that you have to use here. Select this, use this mark, say next, then select the first cell. Select this, click here, go back, then say finish. There is already data here. Do you want to replace it? Like this dialog box will appear. You should ignore this and press OK. See 9 9 12 12 2023 2023. Like this we can split day, month and year. I hope you found this video useful to you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.